Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I'm talking about one more option for formatting your corkboard in Scrivener 3 for Windows, and that's arranging by label. This, of course, will only work if you've assigned labels. The icon for this is in the bottom right corner of the corkboard window. The screen that appears when you click on it does look confusing to start with. It kind of looks like a timeline of all your scenes or chapters, with all the label colours defined. You probably won't see it all at first look, but you can adjust the size in corkboard options. I think I made too many scenes and labels here. As well as horizontally, you can also see this vertically. I'd be interested to know how you think you might be able to use this, because it kind of stumps me. If you have any ideas, pop them in the comments so your fellow writers can be inspired to use it too. Thanks for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you again next time.